Popular Nigerian musician Temmie Ovwasa has disclosed her sexual status after she came out to state clearly that she is gay. She went on to reveal that she has gone for lots of deliverance sessions to help reverse her choice, but all to no avail. Controversial Nollywood actor Uche Maduagu has announced he is now a woman. The actor, who have constantly criticized popular crossdresser Bobrisky, has revealed that he is now coming out of hiding to embrace his true identity. He has now gone ahead to refer to himself as Queen of Lasgidi in recent pictures uploaded on social media. Nollywood actor Nusa Rex, popularly known as Baba Rex, has taken to social media to express his gratitude for his wife's birthday, Deborah. Describing Deborah as the mother of their beautiful children, Nusa Rex acknowledged her as his greatest support, his backbone, his number one champion, and even praised her culinary skills as the baddest chef. How many more crossdressers will come out of hiding?